Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Chelsea. It is time to declutter my closet again. I decluttered my closet a few months ago, but there are still items that I know I am not going to wear or that I have worn, but it's not that comfortable. So I'm just keeping it there because I'm like,
I wore it once or twice this year, maybe I'll wear it again, but honestly, it's just not for me anymore.
So today is going to be a full decluttering. Here we go. We will be starting with the long sleeves, jackets, and dresses. I have button-ups, sweaters, cardigans, and all sorts of long-sleeved items right here. So we're gonna go ahead and do these first. So here is the pile that I am keeping. This pile is for sure a no. I like this sweater, but it is a very bright pink and it says "we" on the front in really big letters. So I'm probably going to be ending up selling this on Poshmark. The other one I'm getting rid of, this one I've had for many years, but I've only worn it a few times, and it's one of those pieces where, you know, when you tell yourself, oh, I might wear this, I'll eventually wear this, and then you just never end up wearing it. So I'll probably list this one on Poshmark as well. And I just have to be honest, I am not going to wear this. These two items, I love them so much. They are beautiful pieces. But I just don't know when and where I'm going to wear this. I've worn this dress once and I've owned it for 4 years. 4 years. So I think I'm going to try this on just to make sure if I'm going to keep it or not. Same thing with this skirt. I don't think I've even worn this once, and I've had this for about like 5 years. It's just this green skirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on as well. So I have decided to keep that white dress and green skirt. I tried them on, and actually that brown sweater goes well with the skirt. I just never thought to wear it like that, and then I'm thinking I can wear that dress with my white sneakers. So I'm gonna give them one more shot because they are so pretty, and some items are just harder than others, of course. And I'm gonna go through my clothes one more time as I'm putting them away just to double check and make sure that I actually want all of them. Now I am done with my long sleeve and jacket section. Next, we're gonna go ahead and declutter the drawers down here. Only 2 of them are mine. This one here is t-shirts, and then this one down here are my shorts and skirts. I will be keeping all of these t-shirts, and I will be keeping these shorts and skirts. This skirt right here is very cute, but I never have any type of top that goes with it, and I've worn it a few times throughout all the years that I've had it, but I just can't find the perfect combination with it. But it's such a cute skirt, but I'm going to go ahead and let it go because I don't ever wear it. Then I'm going to get rid of this tank top. I usually wear my black tank top, and I don't reach for this one, like rarely ever. I haven't worn it for maybe like about a year and a half, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one. I'm selling these items on Poshmark as well. This one I thrifted last year, but the material, after washing it and I wore it like once, it doesn't feel that soft anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and sell this one as well. So these are going to be the items that I'm going to be getting rid of and selling online. I'm gonna stop here for today because it is getting a little darker outside since the sun is going down. But I finished all of my long sleeve and jackets, and I finished my t-shirts, and I finished my shorts and my skirts. Next time I'm going to be going through my dresser, so like my jeans and my pants and socks, etc. And then I will also be going through my bags. I hope all of you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a good rest of your day, evening, morning, wherever you are. Bye!